operating at breakneck speed, you need software for your workshop that can keep pace. Introducing Autodata, the ultimate solution to boost workshop efficiency. Autodata isn't just any automotive software. It's developed by automotive experts who understand the nitty-gritty of auto repairs. Our software offers vast vehicle coverage, with data for 99% of the vehicles on the road. That's over 43,000 models across 142 manufacturers. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with advanced auto diagnostic software. Diagnose and repair your customers' vehicles quickly and accurately with more than 600,000 step-by-step technical procedures and a comprehensive library of Diagnostic Trouble Codes. With over 360,000 enhanced wiring diagrams at your disposal, troubleshooting auto electrical problems has never been easier. Our interactive, color-coded wiring diagrams simplify electrical problem solving with traceable wire paths and searchable components. Increase efficiency with our repair time estimator. Provide accurate quotes, schedule jobs more effectively, and reduce downtime. From technical specifications and fluid capacities to technical service bulletins and known fixes, Autodata's commitment to accuracy and reliability is unrivaled. But that's not all. Autodata for cars and vans now comes packed with over 350 automotive training videos to keep your team abreast of the latest techniques and up to date with new automotive technology. See for yourself how our industry-leading software can elevate your workshop's performance. Trial Autodata for the entire month and get instant access today.